Okay, so this is Pardo from Pardo FX. Please subscribe to get more overviews, end of week overviews, and trading ideas maybe from the Discord channel. So for the pound this week coming in Forex, a very brief overview, mechanically as we do, looking at price action, looking at how things move, mechanically based, not within fundamentals. So you can see on Friday, okay, we had a trend line, potential trend line hit for GN. Okay, boom, up. Looks very bullish. However, I'm not getting too ahead of myself because it's actually sitting just around a peak reversal point and underside of the EMA 17. So, although I, I think this has the potential to go long, it won't be one I'm concentrating on because it's just a bit, it's sitting in supply. Okay, it's sitting, looks like it's reversing from this peak point, hitting the underside of the EMA 17 on daily, 200 EMA on the 4 hours there as well. So it's long from a break and test of this structure and of these dynamic support and resistance. All right, so I also wouldn't short it here because it's just too close to this trend line. So you could potentially be shorting it into demand. So it's a bit of a no go for the beginning of the week. GN, as I mentioned on the dollar video, okay, be careful. This uptrend isn't just a retest of the 125 structure long term here before it goes down. Now it has broken the downtrend line quite well, and what I'd like to see personally to get in this is a break above 0.25 and test to go long, and also, or even better, potentially is a flag down to complete the peak symmetry and then buy up from about 1.235. Okay, so they're my two long points on that. GJ, okay, is one of our strongest setups for the week. I think that's something that we'll be looking for. Okay, and we're looking for peak symmetry. So we have again an uptrend line. We have a Frankenstein head and shoulders reversal, break up, test the neck, push. Okay, shift in momentum. So we would be looking for a buy from about 193.6. Okay, GJ's got really nice structure at the moment. It gives us some really good in points or entry points. And you can see the EMA is all curving around now. So by the time price got down there, I'd expect the 17, both 17s potentially to be in the area that we want to see in order to buy it up to at least the next range. And then finally, well, not finally, we've missed one actually. GA, okay, similar to GN, except it's more bullish than GN. And you can see because it's actually broken above structure rather than within structure, it's a much better buy setup. Okay, so you can, I think price will retrace and it'll retrace down to test the structure it's been on, probably where this 500 EMA is, about the 38.2 or 197 area. And you could potentially look long from there. Again, I wouldn't buy it here. It's you're buying into supply. So wait till the structure breaks down, tests, and then potentially go long from there. That's something I'll be looking for potentially later in the week, probably Wednesday time. And we need to do euro pound. So, and we've been looking at this for a while in the sense that this area on the daily is a really, really strong peak reversal area. So for the swing traders, it's a case of right, get in because it's potentially going to go up. For the day traders, we've got to be more careful because you know it's a great retest of 0.84. Okay, a breakup, a test of 0.84, which is a decent area of demand there, and it's on the 200 EMA, and the 17s coming into play. So there's a lot of confirmations to go long. However, the price action doesn't look very strong for a long. Plus, this where it failed is a wicked out trend line. Okay, so it's very difficult to buy from its current position. You really need to wait till it either breaks down and goes short from here, pushes up and goes long on top of here, or goes sideways and pushes long from 8.4 there. Too dodgy at the moment. Pound CAD, okay, really nice reversal fake out of the trend line. It came up. Okay, we bought it here last week. This little peak symmetry, boom. As in where it's sitting, it's messy, as CAD pairs generally are. because the EMAs, they count for something, but not as much when it's ranging, and it has been ranging for a while. It may come down and test here because that is a strong demand area. But what I like to see is peak symmetry. So I'd like it to come down to here, 1.78. And if it does, I think that's almost a stronger signal to buy than it is just here because it should test really. I look for peak symmetry. I think that makes it a stronger move, but that's just a personal thing. Um, and then I think, if it does that, I think you potentially get the whole range. Um, if you're trading from the bottom here, you could possibly get the whole range. You might have to have a bit of an extended stop loss time, unless the confirmation is absolutely amazing. Pound Swissy, yeah, really nice range. This traded it a few times. In a nutshell, you're looking for a long from about 1.2 1.126. So again, you're looking for it to retrace to give you confirmation to go from the strongest area of structure in in the recent history at least, and that's here. You can look for an EMA 17 hit to get into the move up. It should be a decent trade if that comes off. And that is it. Okay, so that's a very brief overview of how the pound is looking for the upcoming week in the forex markets. I'm Part of FX. Please subscribe for more if you like it. Cheers.